Attention News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Now an update for you. The Butte County Sheriff's Office is lifting the evacuation order for the Potters Fire, specifically though for people living on the north side of Orange Avenue from the roundabout to Long Bar Road, including people living on the north side of Long Bar Road all the way to the Feather River. Those people can return home. For a complete updated list of evacuation orders and evacuation warnings, you can visit our website and click on Fire Watch and just look at that video. Jason Stiff joins us again, and there's a lot of smoke that's affecting the air, and I assume that the heat affects that as well.
Yeah, the heat actually intensified more today than the last couple of days. I actually had a little bit of a break temperature-wise Sunday and Monday. The humidity, though, made it feel just about as hot as it was last week. And now we lost the moisture, we lost the storm clouds, and what we lost in that, we gained in the heat. You can see all the smoke in the air. That is not a pretty looking scene. Looking at Oroville Dam right there, a lot more smoke in the air than cloud cover, and there is a lot of heat for everyone around the entire region. Chico, a very smoky sky, hot temperatures too, 102 degrees still right now. The wind isn't blowing around, but you can smell all the smoke in the air. You can see the discolored sunshine on the ground also. You just feel it there. Reading 107 degrees right now. The wind out of the south at 11 miles an hour. It's also 107 in Red Bluff. The wind also out of the south at 8 miles an hour. Oroville, 105 degrees, smoky heat for us. The wind only 3 miles an hour. That's good news with the Potter fire there in the Butte complex, but you can see the fire danger is still in the high category. We're staying hot, but the good news is it's not going to be quite as hot tomorrow as it was today. Going the right direction for us. Still between 92 and 102 degrees. The breeze is a little bit stronger, between 10 and 20 miles an hour, and the humidity still low. So as you would have guessed, fire danger is still in the high category. And in the eastern counties of our region, we still have that red flag warning from 1 until 9 o'clock tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night. Not because of lightning strikes causing fires, but because of all the gusty wind that we're expecting. And we also have the hot, dry air and the dry fuel on the ground. And I was talking about this last week. It's still in place for one more day. Our excessive heat warning for all the valley and foothill locations. Temperatures still up to 112 degrees. But again, the good news is we will be a little bit cooler tomorrow than today, which is easy because it's been so hot. It's right now 107 degrees already, but it's been at least 108, 93 in Bernie, 102 degrees in Chico, 105 degrees in Corning and in Oroville. Now we have a lot of smoke in the air. We also have some high, thin cirrus clouds, and you can see near Susanville that time lapse I was showing you earlier, all that smoke pouring out of the sky. That's what that is right there, that radar echo. It's not a thunderstorm. It's actually just all the smoke pouring out of the north complex. And looking at FUTURECAST hour by hour, we're going to miss out on all the tropical clouds. We're not going to have any good chances for any rain showers or thunderstorms. We'd welcome the rain, but it's not in the forecast. Just a mostly sunny sky, more smoke in the air for the mid-valley also and the adjacent mountains. So please keep that in mind. If you're going to be spending any time outdoors, do what you can to stay indoors, because we're going to have a lot of heat and lots of smoke to be breathing. Here's your running forecast. Any outdoor activity, do it when you can in the morning hours before it really begins to heat up. It just won't be quite as hot tomorrow as it was today. So here's your forecast for tonight and tomorrow. We'll have lows in the 50s and 60s for the northern mountains. Daytime highs will still be hot. They're going to be in the 90s for the Sierra. Mostly sunny, hot and smoky with highs between 90 and 95 degrees. Not quite as hot around Paradise, but it'll still be very warm in the morning with a low of 80. This morning it was 82. Tomorrow's high 95. For the valley, we'll have lows between 70 and 75 degrees. Still hot and above average tomorrow with a high of 103 for Redding. And for the Chico area, mainly between 70 and 75 tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, not quite as hot, but still between 100 and 103 degrees. The next 7 days in Chico, a bit of a break from the heat Thursday and Friday, closer to average. They'll be back in the triple digits Saturday and Sunday. And for Redding, almost every day will be at or above 100 degrees. But Thursday, slightly cooler with a high of 98.
Victims